Man, why every time I come out here, the thing gonna do something on this car? Something got to be wrong.
Too low to the mall, with a couple capos and 100 fucking dimes. College lot of gang, you get your shit popped. Take over with a drum, they bitch.
Lord have mercy, y'all. Look here, man. Came outside to shoot a video. Turn the key. Nothing. No power at all. How my battery keep dying, man? This a brand new battery. I don't understand, man. I do not understand how my battery keep dying, yo. This a brand new battery. Brand new battery. Keep dying, man. Yeah, we out here in the dark, y'all. Yep. Y'all see it? Hey, it feel good out here too. Wind blowing. You know what I mean? It ain't too bad out here. Y'all see the neighbor lights? Yeah. It's alright. But yeah, man, it ain't too bad out here, man. But look here, man. Y'all see it? Y'all see where we had to go? Huh? Kind of goodies we got in the bucket. Huh? Let's see what we got here. So we got us a Syntec Deluxe battery maintainer and float charger. Yeah, man. Hey, we gotta see what's up with this battery, dog. Alright. Then we got us some Hardy work gloves. Let me see, I can't even get the size in it. Whatever though. Large. Hardy work gloves. Free. For just coming in the store. And then we got our Harbor Freight bucket. Yes, sir. For spending $14. Huh? Free? Yeah, man. So, we about to bust this open, man. So we can get some charge, man. You know what I mean? Yeah. Y'all see it. Huh? Yes, sir. Hey, I'm gonna bust this open right here, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. Got our wall port. Yeah, we got that. We have our positive and our negative terminal clamp, alligator clip. And I guess there's something that you can just, so that way you can just mount it inside. I don't know. I haven't read the instructions, y'all, but they do come with instructions. I haven't read it. Matter of fact, let's open it and see what it says anyway. Let's look at some. Let's see if they got some pictures, cause I ain't reading nothing. I ain't reading. See if they got some pictures in here or something. I ain't reading crap. Might have to read something, cause I don't see no picture. Man, I ain't reading nothing. We'll figure it out. Let's get it. Based on the picture, let me show you. Based on this picture right here, we gonna figure it out. Let's get it. Alright. So, based on the picture, we wanna pull that part right there off. Know what I mean? You wanna pull that off the wall port. Then you wanna grab your alligator clamp. Pull that part off, right? Cause there ain't nothing but the cover, right? Then you're gonna mate them together, just like that. Boom, got them on it. All right. I might not even. Yeah, I'll unravel it a little bit. I wasn't gonna unravel it. But I'll unravel it. Always something with this joint, dog. Man, I hope y'all doing alright today on y'all Saturday evening, afternoon, Saturday night, wherever you may be in this world. You know what I mean? We gonna hook that right there for now. Then, I'm gonna grab our extension cord. I'm gonna go grab the extension cord, y'all, and plug it up. Be right back. Alright, y'all, we plugged up, man. Sorry for the lighting, man. That's why I don't try to shoot videos at night. But, you know, we got our indicator light on that we plugged up. Alright, so it says flashing red is bad connection. I'm not even connected to the battery yet. But, I'm reading across the top. It gives you the indicator light operations. So flashing, that means it's a bad connection or battery. Solid red means it's charging. Flashing green, that means battery nearly charged. And a solid green is monitoring the charged battery. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this right here. I'm gonna see what we get. Let me know what we get, y'all. Hooking the terminals up to the battery.
Got a Cutlass from 84. It's the OG ride. Pillow top seats, baby, where we slide. Flat screen chilling in the back, so fine. Call my car Sparrow, it's always on time. We ride behind 10, can't see inside.
Got the terminals hooked
Up high where we love to glide. Sparrow flying through the city lanes wide. Feel the breeze while we take this ride.
Alright. Might need to restart this right here. I don't know.
Good chrome shining like gold. Old school beauty never gonna get old.
Alright. Nah, let's see what it do.
We ride behind 10, can't see inside. Windows up high where we love to glide.
Flashing red. Bad connection. Or bad battery. It's still flashing, y'all. My battery can't be bad. It's a new battery. It's a brand new battery. How? Maybe I'm doing something wrong. And it's still flashing red.
Sparrow flying through the city lanes wide. Feel the breeze while we take this ride.
I don't know, y'all. Man, y'all drop down in the comments, man. Let me know if I'm using this wrong, man. I ain't never used this before either. And I'm new to these things. Huh? Y'all help me out. Let me know. I'm gonna read the instructions anyway, man. But I don't know. Unplug it. I'm gonna try it again. Yeah, there's no way my battery. There's no way I got a bad battery. But that's what it's flashing and see. It say either bad battery or bad connection. I don't know. Golly. I might gotta let it sit on there for a minute, because this battery is dead. Maybe I need to jump it off first and then start maintaining it after that. I might have to do it like that, because it might be too dead. I don't know. Let me see if I get some kind of juice on the inside. I ain't getting nothing on the inside. So that means we ain't charging at all then. Just like it said. Flashing red. Let me see what these instructions say, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright, y'all. Check this out. So this thing right here blinking, right? So what I just read right here, it says note, the LED will not light while cables are disconnected, right? Okay. So I'm about to disconnect the cables and watch this. Cables disconnected. Cables disconnected. Cables disconnected. So why is it still light? Alright. I go even a step further and disconnect it like this. But I'm still blinking. Why? Something ain't right. Hey, I don't know, man. Like I said, I ain't never used this before, man. I thought it was just simple. Well, I thought it was supposed to just be as simple as me hooking it up to the battery and plugging it up and getting some kind of charge going, but it ain't working right, y'all. I don't know. I don't know. I checked the fuse and but they do have an inline fuse. Check the fuse not blown. I don't know. I just hooked the man, y'all, my bad, man. That's why I don't shoot videos at night. But cause my lighting is bad. And man, we still getting the same thing. I don't know. Hey man, I guess this is the end of this video. I don't know. Till I figure something else out. Cause that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, man. That's crazy, though. Yep. But, and man, I appreciate y'all tapping in, man. I know y'all probably can't even really see anyway. That's why I don't really like shooting videos at night. But dark caught me, so try to shoot it, man. But man, I guess till tomorrow, y'all. I guess till tomorrow. We'll see. I'm gonna do some more research on this right here, man, and see what I got to do, man. We'll get it right.